Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Morning, guys.
Morning. I'm not sure if you guys can tell in our voice that we're not fully awake yet. It's a little bit early than we are used to. We're currently heading to the airport and to work afterwards.
Yeah.
We're going to pick up somebody from the airport. You know, this is something that we do. But it's almost the 1st of September, which makes it almost 4 seal years since we are here in Canada. And every time we go to pick up somebody from the airport, it takes us right back
When we just
to
here.
exactly to where we just landed. The uncertainty of not knowing what the future holds, starting over in a new culture, not knowing anyone, leaving all our friends and family behind. And it's just a joy every time when we're able to share our experience with the newcomers. Literally the newcomers. So again, we're at it this morning again. So we're gonna go and pick up a Trinidadian family who we have met on their Canadian journey a couple months now. We have been vested in this family in terms of we have provided advice based on our experience. We have helped with their LOE from start to finish 100%. And just want to say, guys, that if you're on your Canadian journey and you need one-on-one guidance, of course, we're not immigration consultants, affiliate, lawyers, none of the sort. We never worked in immigration before, but we have been through the process. So if you want us to tell you guys exactly what we did, link up with us. The links are in the description right down below.
When I wake up yet?
The links are in the video description right down below. And you know what, guys? We have a high success rate.
99.
99?
0.9.
I think, well, I just one person.
Just one person.
And that wasn't our fault, really.
No. Just one person.
Mm-hmm.
That hit hard.
Yeah.
That hit hard.
I'd like to say we have the formula.
We just share what we know.
Mm-hmm.
As you said, we're not immigration consultants, so don't come over here thinking that we work with immigration rules.
Mm-hmm.
We just share our experience, and that's it.
And we can't help you find a job either.
No.
We can't help you find a job either. But what we can do is to, be in here, tell you tips and stuff like that that can give you a good advantage in finding a job. But nonetheless, guys, while we wake up, I'm going to show you guys what the road look like to the airport. Alright, guys, so come along. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Alright, guys, see you guys at the airport. Welcome to the Great Garden. We're in Elsa. Nice to meet you, man. What's your name? Bird for Elsa and Elsa.
Bring it in.
Long trip.
Yeah. And the camera.
Hello. Oh, that's. Hey guys, meet Elsa.
Hi.
Elsa, where are you from?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Big up Trinidad and Tobago. Big up the Trinis in the house. How long have you been in Grand Prairie?
Approximately almost 12 hours.
Almost 12 hours.
12 hours.
So guys, we picked up Elsa this morning from the airport. Then we went to work. Then we are back with Elsa's present. We're gonna go on the road and do some stuff right now. But Elsa, what's your first impression of Grand Prairie so far?
The first impression is people were really friendly.
Yeah, people really friendly.
Yeah, really friendly. And very mellow. This is very clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Place is very clean.
Yeah, very clean.
Gotcha. Yeah, so this is where you're gonna be living for another couple of years for the rest of your, well, probably not the rest of your life, because you probably get tired of Grand Prairie and go to a bigger city.
Well,
But
I don't know.
but it's a good start.
Yeah,
It's a good start. It's a good start. Yeah, and Elsa is somebody who we have known Elsa now for probably the better part of a year, virtually,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. But we've met Elsa for the first time this morning. Yo, the corona buddy.
Listen, I thought I had some time to go roll a quick shower. So I had to just
Okay.
pass my 2 days of traveling.
Elsa meet O'Shane, O'Shane meet Elsa. You guys are gonna be classmates, by the way.
Oh,
okay.
Same program.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
And Elsa is 12 hours old. How old are you, O'Shane?
This is what?
12 hours.
I am, what, is 1.5
An hour and a half old. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go on the road and get some stuff done. Popcorn for the kids. Butter? Fridge. I know. I'm practicing.
I know you're trying hard, eh?
I got it.
You're trying hard.
And this is where you find, I can't believe it's not butter. Yeah. This is butter that we use also. No, I know we are used to chiffon in the Caribbean. I'm not sure if it's the same thing in Trinidad. What do you guys use in Trinidad?
Blue band.
Huh?
Blue band.
Blue band? Oh. Well, this is the closest thing to the Caribbean that we find, that we use. This one I take up only dryers, you know, dryers alone in the car. Or there. How much did you pay for the international license again?
Free,
Got it for free.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, when you're traveling to Canada from Jamaica especially, and I think it's probably in most countries, you want to make sure that you get that international driving permit that allows you to drive for at least 1 year in Canada without getting a Canadian license. So if you need to drive and stuff like that, police not gonna really trouble you, right? But at the same time, if you can get a Canadian license as quick as possible, that's also the benefit of straight travel. That's also the benefit, right? The international driving permit in Jamaica is free, so you don't have to pay for it, so that's good. Adjustments, driving on the right, I find that they tend to drift to the left, because in Jamaica we used to driving on the left, but here you have to drive on the right. So this one might not top drift to the left, but still not right lane, yeah. Right. But that's a common mistake where a lot of persons when it's just not driving in Canada, so that's not an adjustment. But terms of cruise control, but not really. Pick it up. Press the gas where you want.
Okay, use anyone?
Use regular. Pop in the thing. I squeeze car, you know, nobody pump gas for you. You see me? So all the persons who are in Jamaica, we have people that pump gas for them. Make sure that you guys tip the people. Because in country like Canada, snow or winter, it doesn't matter. You have to out there and do it yourself. And it's to go to the co-op where it's more expensive. At the co-op you actually have somebody pumping gas.
How much more expensive?
Not much more.
Like for example.
Oh, the sign is probably somewhere up front right there, so. How much is it for a liter of gas here? $1.41. I know guys, this is very confusing because you might see $141, but it's actually $1.419. That's how it goes. But I'm always put the decimal point the wrong place. Yeah, the tank is empty. Unless I buy turtle, I guess. Which is like half tank, I guess. How much gas 3 grand gain in Jamaica?
Depends on the type of vehicle you have.
Like a vehicle like this.
And about quarter tank.
Well, I run the same still. Quarter tank, a little less than half tank. But I think like a 10 grand would full this in Jamaica. Oh, but it's a 10 grand fully note.
No. 8 to 9 grand.
That's basically 10 grand man. Less than that full this though. To full this, I have to spend like $70 or $75 for fully. Yeah. That is it. Yeah man, you're not gonna screw out the life out of it man, just like it's sitting now man. Yeah. Difficult road, just make a right turn so I can't see. We have all them headlights.
you get a ticket.
You make a right at a stoplight then. You make a right at a stoplight. That's your route on this one? You're green line.